Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto my video. I really hope that I'm going to be able to motivate and inspire you within this video. So it's a little bit different for my channel. It's a cleaning and organizing motivation as well, but it's not in my house. I really hope that you will like it, and please leave me a comment down below because I can film a lot more of this content for you just if I see that you're interested in this. And thank you so much, by the way, for so much love in my previous video. You really melted my heart and you made me extremely happy. You know, I am so open to film this content for you. So this video is gonna be clean with me professionally, clean like a professional one, or I don't know, tell it however you want. I just hope that I'm gonna be able to motivate and inspire you. And please support me and my channel by giving me a thumbs up, clicking to subscribe, and maybe why not to share my video so I can reach more audience. you so much for watching, my angels. Love you, bless you, and stay tuned for the next one.